Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your legal documents with Rocket Lawyer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin transferring your legal documents with Rocket Lawyer, first, visit the Rocket Lawyer website. Log into your existing account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Your Documents. Click on it to view all your existing legal documents. Select the document you wish to transfer. After selecting the document, look for the option to share or transfer. Click on that option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the email address of the recipient. Make sure to double-check the email address for accuracy. Add any necessary instructions or messages in the provided text box. Review your document for any final changes before sending. Once you're satisfied, click on the Send button to complete the transfer. The recipient will receive an email notification regarding the document transfer. They can access the document by following the link provided in the email. If your recipient doesn't have a Rocket Lawyer account, they'll be guided to create one. After they create an account, they will be able to view and edit the document. That's it. You've successfully transferred your legal document using Rocket Lawyer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.